Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Shop Miss A haul. It's been over a year since ordering from Shop Miss A. They just didn't have many launches that I was like crazy about. I wanted to repurchase some stuff. Now was the time to place an order. They had 11% off the whole website, dollar shipping, so it was perfect time. I think I got $20, so not very much at all. But my main reason for ordering was to pick up another one of these AOA Studio 5-blade 7-piece razor kits. I love this razor so very much. It is $7. Totally worth it. You do get a holder, 5-blade refills, and a reusable handle. Thought that my handle was defective, so instead of getting the razor refills, which I have ordered those in the past too, I just bought the kit just in case my handle was messed up. So yeah, and I absolutely love this. This time I got it in a different scent though, and it's their brush soap. Okay, I just realized that I ordered the sponge soap, so I'll have to order the brush soap soon. Anyways, I got it in mango. That's probably where I went wrong. I was like, ooh, mango. Either way, I'm sure that I could probably use it on the brushes too. But it always has this like texture. Yeah. Either way, it smells amazing. And this was $1.55, I believe. This is another item I had in the past, but they re-brought it out and repackaged. So I wanted to pick it up again. But it's their eyeshadow primer. So this says Shadow Stay and AOA Studio. So I wanted to pick that up again because I really loved their eyeshadow primer. So I'm hoping it's the same formula. A lot of these items are not new. There's just a few items that are new. And because there was a sale, I picked up a couple things that I normally wouldn't. But this is the Haitian Romance Creamy Blush. This one is in Duchess. Look how beautiful and mauve-y that dusty pink is. That's right up my alley, especially for fall. So I wanted to get this. I need to do an updated like makeup for someone who's approaching 40, because I've been doing new makeup techniques that I really love now that I'm older. So maybe we'll do that. If you're interested, let me know. A couple of their dollar eyeshadow palettes, and these are I guess these are their Sunday afternoon line, but they look like the little elf. I'm not crazy this one has a pressed glitter, but the colors in this one are really pretty, and I thought some of you might already have this or kind of like colors like this. So they're kind of dusty, so like kind of a dusty purple and a dusty pink and this pretty metallic shade there. And Movie Time is the name of this one. So and then I got, let's see, what's this one's name? Midday Stroll. Midday Stroll. And I picked this one up because I think it's going to pair well with the next one, but I may use them standalone, which is probably what I will end up doing. I love that dark navy blue there. That's so pretty. I feel like the camera's kind of washing them out, but look at that beautiful shimmery minty green. The teal, and this one has a highlighter shade. I love that. And then the last eyeshadow I picked up is really impressed with this. I watched Steph Blogs makeup, and she's amazing. I love her so much, and she focuses on the lower ends of makeup, and that's kind of where my channel is too. So I like that. This one is Supernova, and it's from the Cosmic Cowgirl collection from AOA Studio. These are baked eyeshadows, so they're highly pigmented. This is a brighter palette that they have. I'm so sold on this matte green right here. I love how these eyeshadows look, and this is going to be such a pretty look. And then the last couple of items are all kind of new releases on their site. I really wanted to try this foundation, so I'm going to show you first this item. I really wanted to try this, and this is the AO2 Lab and their soft matte foundation. And this is $4. They've been adding a lot of more pricier items to the site, but all great quality. L1 is the shade I got, and I would highly suggest reading the reviews and reading their side notes and possibly looking up reviews before you order shades from Shop Miss A, like porcelain de fer kind of thing. Like, you're probably gonna want L1. Yeah, so I'm really excited to try this foundation. It has amazing reviews. To go with that, I wanted to try but the Soft Touch Blurring Powder Foundation. The blurring foundation. So this is just in translucent. They have these in lots of different shades, but I thought that, you know, this translucent one would be a staple in the collection because I use a lot of translucent powder, and I know that I will use this one up. And then, because it said powder foundation, and once I noticed that, I was like, well, shoot, now I need to get in a color. Like, I really want. So I got the translucent one. We're going to try that out with the soft matte foundation. And then I got this one to try out on its own as well. So the Soft Touch Blurring Powder Foundation in L1. Once again, I would read the reviews, look at swatches, stuff like that. And the last and final item that I was sucked in and intrigued by on the website was a mascara. Now, this was in their $1.88 line. So this is the Duo Flex 2-in-1 mascara. So you have a lengthening mascara and a volume mascara. So there's the lengthening. I just thought this concept was super neat, and we can't wait to test it out and try it. And there's the volumizing. So it doesn't have a crazy smell either, but interesting. So that is all the items I picked up from Shop Miss A. All their links and stuff will be in the description box below. Stay tuned for makeup videos using all these products. I thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the haul. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Shop Miss A links. Stay tuned for more videos like these.